Meaning of ectopic.
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 Ectopic. The term ectopic refers to something that is out of its normal or expected location. In medical terms, it is commonly used to describe a pregnancy that occurs outside of the uterus, usually in one of the fallopian tubes. This can be a life-threatening condition if not detected and treated promptly. Ectopic pregnancies cannot develop normally and must be terminated to prevent serious complications, such as hemorrhage. Early detection and treatment are essential. Symptoms include abdominal pain, vaginal bleeding, and shoulder pain. If you suspect an ectopic pregnancy, seek medical help immediately.